No doubt.
Then page 102, sir.
Is okay. Let me bring the book. Let me bring the book. Yes, page 102. Which number?
Question number 26.
Number?
Question number 26. Ray diagram, sir.
26. Okay. So these are the two right angle isosceles prism. The ray is incident on this surface. So this one will go undeviated till here, and it is angle here 90 degree. Angle of incidence is 0 degree here. So it will go undeviated. Now at this place, as it is right angle isosceles prism, so this is 45, this is 45. So this angle will be 45 degree. Now here angle of incidence is more than critical angle. So total internal reflection will take place. Now it will emerge out undeviated because here it is 90 degree. So it will be incident on this prism. Here again angle of incidence becomes 45 degree. So it will be reflected this way. Sometimes it will be like this. And what will be? The ray will incident this way, will reflect this way, and then it will reflect. Okay, any other? Yes.
Sir, number 15, sir.
Number?
Number 15, part E.
Number 15. Number 15. Figure 4.63, PQ and PR are the two light rays emerging from point object P The ray PQ is refracted as QS. Okay. State the special name given to this one. Okay. This is P, Q, S, this is R. Now you are asked to state the special name given to the angle of incidence PQN. So this angle is what is called?
Critical angle.
So this we call critical angle, like that. Refracted ray become parallel to the boundary. So PQN is critical angle. Critical angle for this pair. Whatever the medium may be. So this critical angle for this particular pair. Okay. Now second is, what is the angle of refraction for the refracted ray QS? So this is the angle of refraction here is 90 degree. Angle of refraction is 90. Now C is, name the phenomenon that occurs if the angle of incidence PQN is increased. So what will be the phenomena? So this angle, if it is increased, that is incident like this. So then what will happen? What is the name of the phenomena?
Total internal reflection.
Total internal reflection. So name of that phenomenon is total internal reflection. Not B. The ray PR suffers partial reflection and refraction on the water-air interface give region. So in this case, what is happening? As the angle of incidence is less than critical angle, so most of the light will be refracted, but as the surface is smooth, so some light will be reflected also. So as angle of incidence here is less than critical angle, so refraction will take place. So most of the energy will be transmitted to the other medium. But as surface is smooth, so some light will be reflected also. So here reflection and refraction both will take place. Here angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are equal for this ray. And for this one, what will be? This angle will be more than angle of incidence. Number E is, draw the diagram. Draw in the diagram the refracted ray for the incident ray PR, and hence show that the position of the image of the object P by the letter P dash when seen vertically above the. So we have to find the position of image when it is viewed normally. So one ray we will take normal, perpendicular like this. So if we are viewing from here, what will be? The image will be somewhere here. P dash will appear somewhere here. These refracted rays are produced back, so image will be somewhere here. Okay. Yes, next one. Next, any other? No one. Then we will start new topic, that is refraction through lens. So first, what is lens? So lens, we say it is a refracting or optical medium bounded by two surfaces, out of which at least one is spherical. So it has got two surfaces. Out of these two surfaces, one must be spherical. Other may be spherical or may be plane. But one must be spherical. So both the surfaces may be spherical, or one surface is spherical and one will be of other form, other shape. Generally it is plane surface one. So other surface may be either plane or spherical. This is lens. In class 8 also we have done lens. So this lens is of two types. You are knowing they are convex, or we call it converging. Other is concave or diverging. So according to the action, the name is converging. It converges the beam. Converges means the width of the beam after passing through this lens will decrease. That is the meaning of converging. Diverging means the width of the beam will increase after passing through this lens. So this is converging action, and that lens will produce diverging action. According to action, we are giving converging and diverging name. According to the shape, we are giving convex and concave name. In convex, what will be? The surface will be bulging out. That is, thickness will be maximum at the center and minimum at the periphery. Whereas thickness will be minimum at the center and maximum at the periphery. So this is the difference between convex and concave, or why we are giving this name. So as it is forming a concave, it means a cave. That's why the name is concave. Now this convex and concave is further classified into how many types? We have done in class 8. How many types? Yes?
3.
8 types.
3 types.
3 types, yes. So we can divide this lens further in 3 types. One we call biconvex or simply convex. Other is plano-convex. And this is concavo-convex. Biconvex means both the surfaces are bulging out. That may be of same radius of curvature or unequal radius of curvature, no problem. So both the surfaces are bulging out. That's why name is biconvex. Both are convex. Plano-convex. One surface is plane and other is convex surface. Like this. Concavo-convex. One is concave, other is convex. See, in all the 3, thickness is maximum at the center. Here thickness is maximum, and at the periphery it is minimum. Here also periphery it is minimum. So here one surface is concave, other surface is convex. But refraction due to this convex will dominate. That's why this shape will behave as convex lens. So refraction produced by, or the deviation produced by this convex surface will be much more than that of this concave surface. That's why the resulting deviation will be converging one. So it is coming in under category of convex lens. Similarly, this concave. This also has got 3 types. Biconcave or simply concave. Plano-concave. And the third is convexo-concave. So both the surfaces are concave like this. So from both sides it is forming a cave. If you see from this side, it is forming a cave. From this side also it is forming a cave. So both the surfaces are bulging inside. So name is biconcave. Or if it is written in the question, concave lens means this category. This is the category. Plano-concave, one surface plane, other surface concave. This one is convex, another is concave. Shape of this one and this one similar. If you see the one small part, it will be same. One is having convex, one surface convex, one surface concave. Here also one surface convex, one concave. But what is the difference? Here, deviation produced by this concave surface will become more than that of this one. So resulting action will be the diverging. That is, deviation produced by concave is more than that of convex. So it is behaving like concave lens. So if you see the small part, shape is same. Both are having one convex and one concave. But the thickness here, in this case it is maximum at the center, but here it is minimum at the center. So what is the meaning of this converging action and diverging action? We will understand by ray diagram. Suppose the rays are incident like this, and after passing through this boundary, the rays have become like this. What is this section? The width of the beam was like this here. After passing through this, width has increased. So this we call diverging action. So this is diverging action. What is this? What is this section? Yes. Convert. One is diverging, so naturally other will be converging. It is wrong. This is also diverging action. So why it is diverging? If this boundary is not present, what might have happened to this beam? This beam of light might have come like this. In the absence of this boundary, the beam has converged at this point. That is, whole light will be converging at this particular point. But due to this boundary or due to this element, what happened? The width is increased. Without this boundary, the width is like this. Due to this boundary, the width has increased. So this is also diverging action. That is, this type of ray diagram will be in case of diverging lens only. Whereas if this is coming like this is converging action. The width is decreasing. What action? What is this action?
Diverging.
It is diverging. In the absence of this boundary, what will be? The ray might have gone like the beam of light might have spread this way. But due to this boundary, what happened? This spreading has decreased. So width of the beam has decreased. So this is also converging action.
Okay.
So either that type of ray diagram or this type of ray diagram, both will come in case of convex lens only. So if you are asked, give two difference between convex and concave lens. Some other will also come afterwards. Okay. What are they? According to the construction, what will be? The thickness of the lens will be maximum at the center. Thickness of lens is minimum at the center and maximum at the periphery. Thickness of this lens is maximum at the center and minimum at its periphery. Here just reverse. This is according to the construction. According to action, what will be? It produces converging action. Here it produces diverging action. Third one will also come up when we'll discuss about the formation of image, or we have done in class 8 also. It forms real as well as virtual image, whereas this forms always virtual image. It forms real and virtual image. It forms only virtual image. So this is the difference between convex and concave lens. Now we shall see action of lens. Action of convex lens and action of concave lens. How much time left? Yes?
Time up, sir.
Time up. Oh, yes. Okay, the next we shall see action of lens. Anyone having any doubt? Anything to ask? Yes? So you were told to send your first internal assessment. I have received only 26. Out of 54 students, 26 has sent till now. And now I am not going to receive anyone. So don't send now. Now your first internal assessment will be absent. You keep on writing, and only when second internal assessment will be asked, at that time only you send the whole. Or when it will be collected after reopening, at that time only you give whole. So naturally, first internal assessment you will not get marks. So out of 20, 5 marks will be based on this internal assessment. Out of 20 project marks is there. So 5 marks will be based on this internal assessment only. 15 marks will be based on your project, which you have to write, whatever you will do in the lab, that you have to do. When you will able to do, then only you will write, otherwise you will be given another project. Okay, thank you. So those who have not sent, they lost 2.5 marks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Including Aryan, no, you have not done.
Me, sir.
Aryan Tiwari present or absent?
Present,
Aryan
sir.
Tiwari present. You have not sent till now. Then
I've
what's
sent,
about your internal assessment? No, you have not got. I have not received yours. You have
sir.
sent.
No, sir. I will send the screenshot. I have sent.
Now you have.
No, sir. It is date is also there. I have sent that only when which day you had asked.
Okay. Which you have, on which date you have sent?
Just 1 second, sir. I'm saying.
Have you replied anything?
You did not reply anything, sir.
That means you have not sent.
On 10th of July, I had sent.
Which date?
10th of July.
10th of July. Okay,
You
I
have
will
seen.
check again.
I will send one message, sir. You check that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
26 that sent till now. I have checked, and rest I don't know.
You have saved.
Okay, okay, I will check again.